What's this in Island fam? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. But this ain't a vlog, as all you can see by the title. It is a Boss of Pots episode. And we are going to make masala mango, mango talcary, whatever it is call it. I just call it masala mango because that's the way it's playing it, right? So, your girl went outside today. Pick some mango on the tree in the back. It's not my tree, it's a neighbor tree, but she does love me pick mango, right? So, I went outside today. I picked some mango on the tree. So we're gonna peel it, grate it, and get organized to make some masala mango. So if you want to see how I just make masala mango, you all I do, all I know is a eyeball kind of thing. I don't specifically have recipes. If I have recipes, I will tell all you, but it's an eyeball kind of thing I learned from my mommy now. So I'm going to show you the mango and the process of making the mango masala talcary, whatever you want to call it. So if y'all want to see that, stick around and we go vibe, right? And y'all can tell me all the recipes for how all it is make it down in the comments so that I can try your version and tell you if I like it. Okay? Okay. Yeah. So we got the mango off of the tree. Mango, which I am going to peel and cut up. And, well, I'm not going to cut it up, I lie. I usually peel it and grate it because I like that way. I don't like big pieces of mango masala. I like it when it's grated, and you can put it in bread. You can basically do all kinds of stuff with it. So I'm going to peel this mango and get back to you all with peeled mango and then grate it. Okay? Alright. Okay, so we have our washed, peeled, and ready to grate mango. Look at it, 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 look at it. Obviously, I'm not going to show you me grating the mango because that's just, yeah, no? So, y'all will see it when it's done grated now. So, I usually grate it on like this side of the grater. This side just too small, so I usually grate it on this side. So, that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so let's grate some mango. Alright. So, next step to our, mango masala or mango talcary, whatever you want to call it. We have, as I said, the mango all grated and ready to be in the pot. The sugar, the masala, the salt and black pepper, the garlic, and the shadow bunny. We do not have any hot pepper because I usually make this with hot pepper or pepper sauce, so it's a little bit spicy and thing, but we don't have any, so we're just going to have to leave that out. But if y'all want, y'all could add your pepper and make it as spicy or as mild as possible, because I usually do buy hand pepper, right? I actually had to go and buy garlic, and it's not just garlic in here, it's garlic. And I don't know if you can see the difference in color, but it's garlic and some ginger. So garlic and ginger, shadow bunny, sugar, masala, salt and pepper with whatever else spices, and mango. So let's go transfer these things to the pot and start the making process. Yes. So y'all, the mango is in the pot. The pot is lighting, stove heating up, and yeah, begin to cooking. So mango in the pot, we are adding some of the sugar, not all of it, because I tend to taste my stuff to make sure it's not over sweet. So some of the sugar, all of the garlic and ginger, all of it, yes, all of it, black pepper and salt, and of course the presto resistance, the masala. So I'm going to add most of it and just keep a little bit for in case now. I'm not sure how dark this is going to be because all is seen. I don't have enough masala here. So yes, so I'm going to mix that up, and also I'm adding half of the shadow bunny now. And when it's like half cooked, I'll add the other half, right? So yeah, so let me mix that up, and yes, let it cook in its own juices. I don't add water to this. I let it cook in its own juices. Right, so we're mixing up and letting it cook in its own juices, letting the sugar melt and everything just combine together. I load on the stove because I don't want it to stick. I just want the sugar to melt and all the juices from the mango to spring out, and you'll see how yummy it's looking. And anyway, looking all yummy already, but it has to cook because we don't want the mango to look yellow like this, right? It has to look dark. So You'll see it springing its own juices. All you seen that? All you seen that? Yes. Yes. So we're just gonna like this cook down and absorb all the good seasonings and the masala and stuff like that. So when it's halfway cooked, we'll add the rest of masala. We'll taste it to make sure it have enough sugar, and put the rest of the shadow bunny and stuff. So like cook in its own juices, right? Right. It's bubbling, it's bubbling. So now I'm going to add the rest of the jira and the rest of the shadow bunny. Oh, it's smelling so good already. But it's smelling the garlic and the ginger and the shadow bunny and everything smelling so good. So I'm going to add the rest of this, stir it up, and let it continue to cook down until it is fully combined into mango tal curry, right? Okay, look at it, look at it, look at it. I can't stir while I'm holding the phone, that's why. So anyway, let me stir this up and I will get back to you all when it's finished. Yes. Alrighty. Ole, it's done. It's done. The mango tal curry done. The masala mango done. It's done, ole. Oh gosh, look. Yes, look at the steam. It's smelling so good. It's smelling so good. So you know, you're going and put this in some bread because I made bread earlier. So yes. So okay, yes. So I'm going to put this in some bread and eat it. I had to add my own pepper today because I don't have pepper. So it will have pepper in it, but yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Well, I'm a mouthful because I eat the bread and mango tal curry because but that's it there. That's how I make my mango tal curry. Just don't give a minute. That's how I make my mango tal curry earlier. Masala mango, whatever let us call it, but that's how it is make it. But usually I add pepper. I didn't have pepper now, so yeah, so that's the end of the video. Your girl going and indulge. So thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking that big red word that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans. Come back here every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday for another vlog. And don't forget, Fridays are our Bus Pot series season 2, so look out for food related vlogs and stuff on a Friday. So comment down below any questions, concerns and comments, anything y'all want me to try on my Bus Pot series. And of course, self-love is important. Your mental health is greatly important. Practice self-care and all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye bye.